Friends, welcome to another episode of Price Action Trading with Bank Nifty. Let's see what happened today and what were the good price action setups on Bank Nifty on 5 minutes. So, as I told clearly in yesterday's video, we are still in a very strong uptrend and there should be no view to short the market till three things happen. One, a break of the significant trend line. Second, reaching of the top again, either the same top or a higher top or a lower top, and then a good strong bullish bearish reversal bar. Only when these three conditions are met, something should be taken on the short side. So today we opened a small gap up here. The price came down to meet the moving average, tried to go down, it didn't, it reversed here. Then this looks like a weak bar on based on candlesticks, but it is actually a bullish flag. And then the price tried to zoom up here, especially on this bar. Somebody would have hit their stop losses, but the second bar after this one recovered, and then anybody would have taken the trade for this bar. This particular bar, just note down the shape and I will tell you how this bar would have taken place, so that anybody who was in a long trade would have exited at the close of this bar. So this bar opened up here slightly above the previous bar, tried to go up and failed, started to become a red bar, and then went all the way down here. So imagine this bar, initially it was a big green bar from here to here, and now it's become a big red bar from here to here, and then the end it slightly recovered. This recovery is not for the action on the top, but this recovery is a small bearish flag, because now it has come down, it's gone slightly up, and then the next will be the move down. So anybody who was in a bullish trade here should have exited at the end of this bar. Then after this pattern, the rest of the day was mostly in a sideways pattern, and price was just hunting stop losses for most of the people. These two attempts, 1 and 2, was where people would have tried to take the market down, but they failed. Here it failed and here it failed. And someone who would have wanted to still take a short, so this would have been the bar. At the close of this bar, the price opened up here, tried to go and touch the moving average, and as soon as it started to become red, they could have taken a trade on the downside. But the next bar, immediately it was a bullish reversal bar. So whatever the short scalp somebody would have taken here, he would have either exited with a small profit or at break even or with a small loss. After this bullish reversal bar, this short trade is negated, so they would have exited. The next couple of bars did not give us any action. This huge bar came out of nowhere, but as we have told clearly, we are in a confirmed uptrend, so upward momentum was expected, but it was very difficult to catch this bar in a trade. We could have taken a small scalp at the exhaustion of this up move. I will tell you how. If we look closely, we will follow our classic 1 2 3 4 5. So this is one push up, down, second push up, down, and third push up. After this third push, the next bar did not take out this high, and this particular bar was a bearish close. So we were very sure that the next bars would be a very risky scalp to meet the moving average, and anybody who could have taken a trade here and here would have got 30 points on Bank Nifty. I would not have advised anything more, because this is a very strong bullish action. So even yesterday we tried to do something to touch the moving average, but it just reversed from there. Now somebody would have taken, and people would have taken a scalp here. This particular line is very interesting. If anybody who is doing a classic candlestick analysis, he would think that the price has shot up, it has recovered, and now this is a reversal flag, and we will again see a bullish action to the upside. But look at it very clearly how this formed. After this bar closed, we opened gap down here, tried to go up and touch the moving average. It failed, went all the way down here. That means there is a strong bearish momentum, and then closed up. That means we have a bearish flag, and all this moved down till here. This whole move down will be a measured move for another leg down, which we got here. So if you look at the price from here to here, from this top to this bottom, it's almost 380 390 points. Sorry, let me try it again. This is almost 370 points, and we will see How? What would have been the target? We would have taken it from here for another 370 points. But we did not get 370 points. We would have got around 338 or 340 points. So this was the one move down, up, and the second move down. So people could have taken this short also. It's very easy to see in the hindsight, but this has been a very strong bullish trend. So I am not sure how many people would have been successful to take this short. Now this is the price action for today. How does Bank Nifty look for the remaining of the month? So if we go back, I had shown you a 1 hour charts that I was expecting the price to revert somewhere from here. Even this this wedge is going back almost from the 14th of December 2022. Here it has breached, then come down, and now it has breached here. It had breached here and come down. And then we also had this parallel channel. So today we saw that the price has breached both this parallel channel as well as this long hedge. And this is a very strong bearish reversal bar. Now I had told very clearly that three things have to be met to shift our view from bullish to bearish. One is the break of a significant trend line. Let's go to 15-minute chart. Let's draw a trend line from here. We can see that this trend line has broken and it's a significant break. This particular line, this trend line, on 5 minutes, though this one looked like a significant break, but it should have fallen up to this point for it to be significant, and then it just rose and there was sideways action. That means the uptrend is not finished. That's why we saw this up move here. But coming back to 15 minutes, we see that this trend line has broken down here. So condition 1 is met. Condition 2 is we will again see the price will try to seek this high again. It will form either a same high from here to here or a lower high from here to about this level, and then after it has formed a lower high, that's the condition number 2, we will have to see a bearish reversal bar. Once a bearish reversal bar comes, only after that we can confirm that the downtrend has started, and then we can again expect the price to maybe again begin its downward journey from here to this line. But right now on 1 hour and even on 15 minutes, not on 15 minutes, on 1 hour we are still in a confirmed uptrend. So until and unless all three conditions are met, two conditions have been met, which is the break of the significant trend line. One condition has been met, the break of the significant trend line. The second condition is for the price to reach again this high or a lower high, and then a third condition for the bearish reversal bar. Only after that we will have a confirmed downtrend. Right now we're still in a uptrend with more likely a sideways action. Thanks. That's all from me today. Let's see how Bank Nifty will behave day after tomorrow. Okay.